You're home.
As our cities continue to grow. This means that more liters of safe water is available for public consumption and more rivers and seas are preserved for future
Huwag man lagi
generations.
magsigana.
At this scale, wastewater management and sanitation
Huwag
become
magsiga.
essential foundations
Huwag
of public
magsiga.
health, environmental protection, and of sustainable development. By reducing
Yan na
pollution,
ako
pollution
kapag-video
flowing into
kahapon.
rivers within its service area, this facility will improve local water quality. It also supports the long-term rehabilitation of Manila Bay by limiting the pollution load that eventually reaches our seas. These are not abstract aspirations, but concrete and measurable actions towards protecting our environmental and
Uli na ko,
restoring
ma.
our natural resources.
Uli na ko, ma.
Tapos kasi man, nakadiri.
Oo. Basta na. Hmm.